Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a water heater using Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin our exercise with a 6x6 plate. We're going to set down a 1x6 plate in the back for our wall footing. Then I'm going to place several 2x2 flat tiles. And finish it up with 3 1x2 flat tiles for our floor. Next, let's set down a 1x6 brick in the back and a 2x2 brick in the 2x2 opening. This is going to be our little perch for our water heater. Then I'm going to set down 4 studs on top of these studs. This is going to lift our hot water heater off the perch. In the back, a 1x6 brick. Take a 2x2 round brick with a Technic hole. We're going to place a Technic pin with stud in one end and a stud on top of that. We're going to have this facing where the stud is facing outward. This is going to be like our little control valve. Then I'm going to proceed on with a 1x6 brick and a 2x2 round brick. Let's go up 2 more levels. And let's set down a 1x6 brick here. Now in this area I want to kind of go a little fancy. Let's start with a 2x2 round plate and a 2x2 round plate with a stud on top. Now what I want to do is take one of these 1x2 round plates, set this right here. I want to have this parallel with our wall, so you may have to adjust this as needed. And we're going to attach our water connections to the water heater. So I'm going to take a 2x2 brick with 2 studs and a set of taps. I want to face these taps downwards like so, and I want to set these in both the studs on the 1x6 brick and in the 1x2 round brick. This is going to help correct an offset issue. Now you'll have to multitask in getting all that together so everything lines up perfectly. And we're going to proceed on with a pair of 1x2 bricks and a 1x6 flat tile to finish up the project.